So case number SP 108-63111. People versus Daryl Parks and its expired driver's license. And SP 108-53741. Failure to stop at a stop street or intersection. And there's also Mr. Parks. And Mr. Parks, good afternoon. Can you tell me your name for the record?
Darrell Parks.
And can I have your appearance, Mr. Harris?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wyatt Harris on behalf of Dale Parks. My P number is P54891.
So, Mr. Parks, you understand if I accept your pleas today, you're giving up the right to have a trial, either by judge or jury?
Yes.
Is that yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything to make you plead today that I don't know about?
No, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you in any way?
No, ma'am.
You remember May 23rd of 2020 being at Grinnell Avenue and Irwin Avenue in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
Operating a motor vehicle that day, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a valid driver's license in your immediate possession?
No.
Accept the plea of failure to display. That same date, time, and location, did you go through a stop sign?
He's. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Per the people's recommendation, accept a plea of responsible to blockading. The blockading is 175. The failure to display is 245. I'm dismissing SP 108-53743, which is no proof of insurance. And SP 108-53742, which is no registration. So do you have that money today, Mr. Park?
I have half of it.
Okay, when will you have the whole amount?
420.
Pardon me?
I say I'm on disability SSI. I mean, I can work on putting it towards, within 30 days.
Okay, by March 31st, make sure you pay both of these. Are you familiar with the DivDat kiosk system?
No.
So it's DIV capital DAT, and they're located throughout the metropolitan area. If you go to one of those, you can pay in cash and you can make partial payments. And make sure everything is paid by the 31st.
Thank you.
You can pay online.
What's the website online?
Pardon me?
What is the website online?
36thdistrictcourt.org.
That's on the bill, on the ticket, isn't it?
Correct.
Okay.
You have any questions about what it is I've ordered, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna end our call, then make sure you pay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Now we have one more, Mr. Derek Peoples.
You had that file? Did you file that file? That's it right there. No, not that one. Give me that back.
Oh. What does he got?
Hello,
Sir, have a seat. Tell me your name, please.
Derek Peoples.
So, Mr. Peoples, you have a no valid operator's license in immediate possession. There is an offer from the city attorney for a plea to failure to display a valid license, which is no points. Are you interested in that offer today, sir?
Yeah, I've been trying to pay the ticket since I got it, but it looks like they
Okay.
had me going to court.
So, let me call the case. This is, and by the way, sir, we're on YouTube Live. This is
Okay.
case number 493471, People versus Derek Anthony Peoples. Mr. Peoples is charged no valid operator's license in immediate possession, and the city attorney is recommending a plea of guilty to failure to display, which is no points. Mr. Harris, your appearance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wyatt Harris, P54891, on behalf of Mr. Peoples, who appears to be.
So, Mr. Peoples, you understand if I accept your plea today, you are giving up the right to have a trial, either by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything to make you plead today that I do not know about?
No, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you in any way?
No, ma'am.
Do you recall, sir, on or about October 5th of 2020, being at Wormer and Grove in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And on that date, time, and location, were you operating a motor vehicle? Sir? Were you driving a car, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have a valid driver's license or immediate possession?
No, I did not, ma'am.
Accept the plea to failure to display. It's gonna be $245, Mr. Peoples. Can you pay that today?
Not today. I could pay it. I could pay it within the week.
All right, so pay by March 5th, okay?
You said 5th?
March 5th, yeah, that's a week from Friday.
Okay.
All right, so you can either go to our website, 36thdistrictcourt.org, or are you familiar with DivDat kiosks? That's DIVDAT.
Those are the ones that they have in Myers.
Yeah, I think so. And so if you
Yeah.
go to one of those, the court icon is on there. And if you have a driver's license now, you can scan the driver's license, it'll pull up your ticket. If not, you can enter the ticket number or your name and date of birth, and you should be able to pay. And those kiosks accept cash, debit, and credit cards, okay?
Okay.
All right, do you have any questions? Make sure you pay by the 5th, okay?
Yeah, I definitely will. No questions. There's no point, so I can still go ahead and finish my driving my driving test stuff or whatever at Secretary of State. So
Yeah, if I were you, I'd call the Secretary of State now if you have to make a visit, because it's running, they're way behind, okay?
yeah, I made an appointment in October. My appointment is in March.
Okay. Take care, sir.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
Bye.
You have a good day.
You too.
All right.
Mine is Friday, I made it September 25th. And it's this Friday.